So let us learn finding the increase or decrease percent. So now finding the increase or decrease percent. So let us learn. So in our daily life we come across many situations where the price is increased or decreased in percentage wise. You might have seen the advertisements stating that 25% off on market prices. 25% off on market prices. So market prices means the amount mentioned in the labels. If you are going to buy a cloth or any article, there will be a label. So cost will be mentioned. That is called as a market price. From that market price, they give the 25% off on Diwali festivals or any other festivals. So they give an offer. So there is 25% off means decrease. So they are going to decrease the amount from the market price. So then another incident, 10% hike in the price of petrol. Second situation, 10% hike in the price of petrol. Sometimes the international market goes high means, so then they increase the value of the petrol by stating that 10% increase in its value. Here 25% decrease in the value of the market price. So such statements we have seen in our daily life. So let us understand this by doing one question. It is like this. The question, once again you read this question now. The price of a scooter was 34,000 last year. This was the price of the scooter last year. And it was increased by 20% this year. What is the new price? So they are increased by 20% this year. What is the price now? The present price now. So last year the price of scooter last year 34,000. So last year, so you can write the details here. The last year price. Last year price of scooter is equal to rupees 34,000. The increase percent is equal to 20%. It is given. Now percentage increase is equal to. So now what is the increase in amount you have to find out now. 20% increase means, so increase in amount. So what is the amount that is increasing? So increased amount. So 20% of 34,000. So 20% means 20 by 100 into 34,000. Now you simplify this 0 to 0 cancels and write this. What is the answer? 0 0 to both sides. 6,800 rupees they are increasing. 6,800 rupees increase. Now after this, what is the price this year? New price. New price is equal to old price plus increase. Old price plus increase. Okay, increase in price. So now old price was 34,000. How much? 34,000. And then what is the increase in price? We got it by 6,800. Now you add this one. What is the total value now when you add this? 40,800. So this is one way of calculation. So based on the percentage you calculated the increased percent and then you did. So okay, there is one more method you can do this in another way also, using unitary method. See, increased percent means no. So other method I tell you, listen here carefully. How we can do this one? So here 20% increase means, what you can write, 20% increase means So if rupees 100, then rupees 100 is increased to rupees 120. If the 100 rupees is the cost price, then the amount is increased to rupees 120, then 20% increase we say. That is the meaning. 20% means for 100 rupees they increase 20 rupees extra. If the cost price is 100, then the amount it is increased is 20%. So 20% means 20 rupees extra for 100. So it becomes 120. For 100 rupees it becomes 120. But what is the cost price last year? For rupees 34,000. For rupees 34,000 is increased to, so 120 divided by 100. 120 divided by 100 into 34,000. Okay, now you can cancel these two zeros. So if you multiply these two, 0, 0. 40,800. So this is the amount that you will get directly. So this is another method of calculation. So you can do in any method, say directly by using the percentage concept you can do this one, and this is again by unitary method we have done this. So both are answered correct only. See now, increase in price or decrease in price. So see, decrease in price sometimes they give to attract the customers. See, there is a discount or decrease in sale of 5%. 5% decrease in the sale if they give. Then what is the amount that they have to pay? The price of the scooter. Price of scooter is 34,000 rupees. Okay. To attract the customers, suppose if they decrease by 5%, so the amount is decreased by 5%. So what is the new price? So now you have to calculate the new price. So reduction. What is the reduction in amount? 5% of 34,000 rupees. Okay. So that means 5 by 100 into 34,000. Simplify this one, 2020 cancels. Multiply this one by 4 are 22, 15. 1,700 rupees discount is given. Decreased in amount. Now the new price will be, so new price is equal to old price minus, so discount or decreased amount. You can say, so decreased amount. So now old price was 34,000 minus 1,700. So the new price after subtraction you will get 32,300. See, this type of announcement they make to attract the customers. Sometimes they decrease, sometimes they increase. So petrol prices will be increased by 5%, 10%. So like this, increase or decrease percent is used in our daily life. Day-to-day life, we use the increase or decrease percent. Is it clear to all of you? So now finding discounts. What is that discount? Discount is a reduction. Discount given on the market price. Suppose you want to buy some jewelry, necklace or something you want to buy. So what they will do? So they will give a slip like this. So they fix 10,000 rupees. Okay. So this is a necklace. Okay. Now 10,000 rupees it is labeled like this with the label of 10,000 rupees. This is called as market price. MP, market price. So what they give, they announce that there is a discount of 5%. So discount of 5% on the festival season. So they will announce 5% discount to attract the customers. 5% discount will be given always on the market price only. Discount will be given on the market price, not the original value. This is not the actual cost. Market price is always more than the original cost. So it includes profit also. From the profit they give discount 5%. So that means for every 100 rupees they give deduction of 5 rupees. Then what about the reduction for 10,000? So we can calculate. So discount is always calculated like this. Discount is equal to market price minus sale price. So sale price always includes the profit. Remember this. This also includes profit. They give some discount on from the profit only, not from the original cost. Okay, so this is the calculation formula we use to calculate the discount. So let us see one or two questions on this to understand it better. So we take one example 3. Just to look at this question, an item is marked rupees 840. There is an item which is marked 840. There is a label. Suppose some article you are going to buy, there is a label with 840 rupees. And it is sold, selling price it is rupees 714. What is the discount? As I told you in the beginning itself, discount can be calculated by subtracting the sale price from the market price. So you can calculate discount like this. Discount is equal to market price, selling price. Market price here 840, selling price is 740. 126. This is discount. So this discount is given on what price? On what price it is given? On market price. For this amount they have given, for 840 rupees they have given 126 rupees as a discount. You can calculate this discount percentage by unitary method. This is the discount given for 840 rupees. What is the discount given for 100 rupees you have to calculate. So discount.
Sir, 126 by 840 into 100.
Discount given for rupees 840 is rupees 126. Then what about the discount given for rupees 100 market price will be 126 divided by 840 into 100. Now if you simplify this, what is the amount you will get? Divide this one. 0 0 cancels.
Sir, 15%.
So 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So then again 5 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 21 ones are, 21 3s are, 5 3s are 15%. So 15% discount is given. For every 100 rupees they give 15 rupees as a discount. So we calculate the percentage also. So directly you can write like this: discount is equal to, so discount percent is equal to discount given, so discount divided by market price into 100. So using this you can directly calculate the discount percentage also. Is it clear? This question now. The list price of frock is rupees 20. That means market price is rupees 20. Market price or list price both are same. Market price is rupees 220 and the discount percentage is given. So discount percentage is equal to 20%. That means for every 100 rupees they give 20 rupees as a discount. Now what is the amount of discount? First you need to calculate. So amount of discount is equal to, so you can calculate amount of discount is equal to 20% of what is the market price? 220. So 220. So 20% means 20 by 100 into 220. So you can cancel 0 and 0, 0 and 0. So you will get 44 rupees discount. 44 rupees. Discount is 44 rupees. Amount of discount. Now after calculation of amount of discount, they also asked what is the sale price. Sale price can be calculated.
Sir,
Market price minus discount.
Sir, market price minus discount.
So market price here 220 rupees. Discount is 44 rupees. Subtract this and tell me what is the answer. 176 rupees. Rupees 176. So this is the sale price. After giving 20% discount, so the sale price is rupees 176. In the same way, say 100 rupees, what is the discount? 20% discount. 20% discount means, what is the meaning? What it means 20% discount?
Sir, 20 is regular
Market price, if market price is rupees 100,
If 100 is the market price,
then selling price, so tell me, if MP market price is 100, sell price will be 80, isn't it? If market price is 100, sell price is 80. If market price is rupees 220, then what is the sale price? Sale price is 80 by 100, 220. So you can cancel this 0, 0, this 0, 0. 8 to the 16, 8 to 16, 176 rupees. Directly you will get this. This is unitary method. You can do it in unitary method also.